So today we have the Xdobo Mushroom, and as you can see it's a pretty tiny speaker. I do like they have this LED light on the underside. This does give it a bit of a light, but also it does mimic a bit how mushrooms do look a bit on the rear. Funny thing as well is that they give this speaker a bit of a wood look, even on the speaker grill. This does make the speaker not only feel very solid, but even pretty well built. So audio side, it is really compromised. So it is a tiny speaker. They did try their best to get an okay tuning out of the speaker. But yeah, don't expect any bass or anything, because let's face it, in this kind of speaker it's just not really possible. Unless you use a big passive radiator and maybe some kind of bass vibration engine. But this is really just a speaker. So without further ado, I have a few audio samples, so get those started now.
It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you. Got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to this round in a circle? Back where I started, I'm stuck here like